Let's start. And hello.
Hello,
Yes, and please introduce yourself.
my name is Pam. I'm from Perth in Australia.
Excellent. And nice to meet you, Pam.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, and I very appreciate to listen your story. And please, how you are in Mongolia? Yeah,
Why am I in Mongolia?
exactly. Yes.
I'm an Australian volunteer. I've come here through the Australian Volunteer Program, which the Australian government funds, and I'm working for the International Organization for Migration.
Exactly.
Yes.
And you are already about 45 days.
That's right. I'm here for 6 weeks, and I leave on Friday.
Yes.
Which is a bit sad that my journey to Mongolia is coming to an end, and this is my last experience in Mongolia, and it's a very
Wow.
special experience
And
for
then,
me.
wow, congratulations for your last more than 1 month's life with Mongolians
Yes.
and with the not only Mongolian community in Mongolia, also you work with Mongolians who are living in the abroad, yes?
That's correct.
You're right,
Yes, yes.
And then I appreciate what are you doing with the world, including Mongolian community.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
And then a very final question, Pam.
Yes.
And what do you want to ask from us, from Mongolians? What is your question?
My question. I've got a very strange question to ask you.
Yes.
Mongolians, they seem to be a little cross because when they drive,
Yes.
they hoot all the time,
Yes.
and I'm wondering why.
Good question. Why not? Yes. And then who are doing that, they should write comment on this video.
Oh, that will be everyone. Everyone who's driving.
Thank you. And then at the end of this video, I already asked my 3 questions for this short video named the hashtag Mongolia friend. Hashtag Mongolia friend is
Yes.
my video's title.
Oh, I see.
And then
Okay.
I already asked my 3 questions
Yes.
for this video. And at the end, it is more additional question for you.
An additional
Yeah, very
question.
additional. Because you are experienced individual to work with the world community.
Yes.
And then can you say your life stories, some important stories to the not only Mongolian audience, to the world people, what we should prepare for living? Yes, thank you.
I think that, I was born in South Africa. I've lived in Australia for 30 years. I've now been in Mongolia for 6 weeks. And I think there are all similarities and lessons about how we should live in our environment, take better care of our environment, because I can see the damage that's been done, sometimes by people, sometimes by their animals, and I think that the next generation will put a lot of energy into protecting the environment on which we depend.
Exactly, yes. What we talk all around the world is about sustainable development.
Correct.
And
Yes.
17 goals.
Yes. Yes.
It include not only human daily life, it include what we need from nature and
Yes.
how to live with the nature. Yes.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
And also have to live no hungry. Yes.
Yes. Trying to make sure people live a good quality life, no hunger, fresh water, good sanitation, jobs,
Yes.
and all the rest of it. Yes,
Exactly.
because I'm a very privileged person. I've had a very good life, but there are many people in the world who haven't had that opportunity that I've had. Even coming to Mongolia, it's been a great opportunity. How many people would have had that opportunity? Very few.
You're right. Yes.
Yes.
You're right. And then very appreciate for your accept this short video with the host family Bisoy.
Yes.
And then
Thank you so much for hosting me this evening. It's been a fantastic experience. I'm very pleased that I managed to fit it in just before I leave.
yes.
Yes.
Yes, I very appreciate your interest to meet with the locals. That your wish and interest bring this moment.
Yes.
Yes, I very appreciate for you.
Thank you very much.
Wow. And then have a good evening, everyone. Yes.
Have a good evening.
Yes, and have a good life. Yes.
Have a good night.
Yes, thank you.
Bye bye.